Top 10 Luxury Resorts in the World. 10. Banana Island Resort Doha by Anantora, Qatar. Banana Island is a crescent-shaped island, just a 20-minute private catamaran ride off the coast of Doha. Inspired by a traditional Arabian village on a deserted island, Banana Island Resort is for those wanting to temporarily escape ordinary life. With overwater villas, a spectacular lagoon, an on-site wellness center, and an array of other entertainment options, there's no reason to ever leave. While each room is complemented with a private balcony overlooking either the beach, pool, or sea, it's the overwater villas that steal the show. 9. Virunga Lodge, Barera, Rwanda. Virunga Lodge is a rustic hilltop retreat with 10 suites, half overlooking stunning Lake Barera, and the other with sweeping views of Rwanda's jagged volcanic peaks. You can't go wrong with either side, but we suggest going for one of the 2 deluxe options that have living rooms and fire pits. Rooms are spacious and filled with bright local fabrics. Rates include all meals and drinks, plus a daily massage, much needed after a day spent gorilla trekking, hiking, or birdwatching in the nearby Volcanoes National Park. As the day winds down, get cozy in the living room for a game of cards and a glass of South African wine, or watch the sunset from the stone terrace. 8. Singida Sabi Sand, South Africa. Singida Sabi Sand includes 3 well-appointed options that provide an elegant base from which to bask in the natural beauty of one of South Africa's most renowned game reserves. Singida's founding property, Ebony Lodge, sits surrounded by a grove of its namesake trees, with 12 suites inspired by old explorers' camps. Boulders Lodge, meanwhile, was named after the ancient rocks strewn along the banks of the Sand River, and the 12 glass-fronted suites have artfully pared-down interiors, featuring fossilized tree stumps and other found objects. And Castleton Lodge occupies the ancestral home of Singida founder Luke Bales. Its Cape Dutch charm, mullioned windows, antiques, expert safari guides, and longtime family staff remain. But the wine cellar, state-of-the-art kitchen, and full gym are all new. 7. Six Senses Ninh Vân Bay, Vietnam. With dramatic views over Vietnam's Ninh Vân Bay and open-air, thatched roof villas where you can soak in the scenery from a bathtub, this Six Senses outpost also boasts its own endangered monkey reserve. The treasures of both the sea and the surrounding mountains are at your fingertips thanks to an array of land and water activities, ranging from hikes and beach picnics to fishing experiences and sunset cruises. And it doesn't hurt that, no matter how you choose to pass the day, there's always a plunge pool, wine cave, restaurants, and spa to return to on resort. 6. Siomel Umakangu, Bali, Indonesia. This modern, steel and glass hotel skews more towards South Beach than Bali, but it offers a sanctuary from scruffy Canggu, a magnet for the global bohemian set. At the Siomel Beach Club, in an haute surf shack setting, the music's always playing, the palms are swaying, and people are chilling in batik-cushioned banquets and swingy white chases. The beach club's surf school, run by Tropic Surf, offers guided surf lessons for beginners to veteran shredders on Echo Beach's famous left break. Overall, the hotel's wellness focus comes through in its delicious Balinese clean cuisine and its outposts of Siomel Champala's Spa and Glow Cafe. 5. Atlantis, the Palm, Dubai, UAE. Dubai's Atlantis looks almost identical to its Bahamian sibling, which is to say, magical. The first hotel to inhabit Palm Island, it's situated in the best location. The massive lobby is bustling at any time of day, but take a moment to pause and admire the common space's Dale Chihuly centerpiece comprises more than 600 pieces of blown glass. The resort truly has it all: a massive water park, an aquarium, luxury shopping, and more restaurants than you can count on both hands. If you have a herd of kids that you want to keep entertained and happy, this is the place to go. 4. Siomel Umaubud, Bali, Indonesia. Because Bali is a tropical island, there's a misperception that it's all about beaches. Yet there's little more dramatic than the magical tableau of Ubud's jungle scenes. At Siomel Umaubud, coconut palms and banyan trees frame 46 room suites and villas. all designed by Koichiro Ikabuchi, offering an intimate, hyperlocal experience. At the heart of the resort are an 82-foot jade green pool with rooms and eating areas staggered across the snug plot. Clever planning, fresh interior design, private courtyards, and infinity-edge plunge pools make the property feel modern, yet totally at home in Ubud. 3. Ugshua Casa Hotel and Spa, Trancoso, Brazil. Surrounded by dense rainforest and teetering high on a ridge overlooking the powder sand-fringed Atlantic, Ugshua fits right into the post-hippie utopia of Trancoso. Working with local artisans, Dutch owner Wilbert Das, Diesel's former creative director, has turned the hotel into a collection of rustic renovated casas, cottages, an intimate treehouse, and a tribal-inspired spa. All are cloaked by hummingbird-flecked tropical gardens and centered around a pool lined with green aventurine quartz, which, for those not up on their healing crystals, is said to be very therapeutic. 2. Four Seasons Resort Dubai at Jumeirah Beach, UAE. There aren't too many places that can offer a true beach and city break, but this elegant compound on Jumeirah's crisp white shores manages to feel like part of Dubai, while also being gently removed from it. Mostly, the hotel sits on the serene side of Middle Eastern opulence, with marble, Murano chandeliers, and gold leaf ceilings cut through with calming earthy tones inspired by the desert and Arabian Gulf. Staff around the curving, shadow-draped lagoon pools seem ever ready with citrus shooters and blueberry muffins, and there's often a procession of couples heading toward the orb-like sculpture by the beach, firelit as the sun goes down. 1. Adair Manor, Co, Limerick, Ireland. Toss a pebble in any direction across Ireland's 26 counties, and you'll likely hit all manner of manor hotels. But when dashing across the island from Dublin to Limerick, the one to stop at is Adair. Trappings of heavy velvet and armor, superbly polished floors, and the satisfying crunch of a well-raked gravel drive are present. Yet this is a thoroughly modern reinvention of a country escape. Draft excluders be gone, with airtight double glazing and lashings of hot water in a tub overlooking a waterfall on the River Maig. An eye-opening afternoon of falconry, including an introduction to mesmerizing owls, large and small, is fueled by an open-faced grilled prawn sandwich and a glass of Sancerre worthy of Adair's recent Michelin Sommelier Award, served fireside in the stained glass gallery. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.